Most mechanics dread doing this part, look. Should we get a zoom in? Oh, so glow plug 2's down. It's a warranty job, so I can't replace all 4. I can only replace the broken part. So I cleaned out all the old. All right, and you're going to give it the best lease alive. So the engine's warm. All right, still not quite happy, making a lot of squeaky noises. So we'll get some of this stuff in. Hey, Freeze-ease by DCL. Look, there they are. Get them nice and zoomed in there. I'll link them below and I'll tag them in it as well. So all I do, get that filled. You can see all the see it working down there, to be fair. Right, let's get the zoom on. I've got my lights involved and all. So try and make it a bit easier. So let's get the torch in. Hopefully you can see it bubbling away there. Yeah, just it wants to focus on the fuel rail. There we go. Bubbling away. So we'll give it a sec of that, and then I'll come back and undo it, I hope. So I've got, it's not going to show it. Oh, it is. So I've got the 10mm, and this is the FDX socket by Snap-on. So hopefully, I'm not going to do any rounding. So we want to give ourselves the best lease alive. Bit of an extension on it, you have to. And then this new Snap-on 102 ratchet. These are ace, guys. It's the 102 ratchet, and hopefully, now if we've done it right, with the help of DCL's Freeze-ease spray, this is just going to drop out. Now I'm on camera live doing this, so as you can see, it's not been opened before, and that was a good little snap on that. And I can get the socket in there, take the ratchet off now. You can undo them by hand usually. Down in there like that. And she comes. So what I do, I just use the plug. You can use needle nose, but I don't want to drag the video out. Yeah, so we'll use that. Out she comes. And there it is, the faulty glow plug. Now, if you want to check some of my recent videos, guys, or some of my previous videos, you'll see me resistance checking these. However, I've done all this off camera. I really just want to show the procedure of taking a glow plug out and making it as easy as you can by warming the engine up, using some Freeze-ease from DCL. All the tags and that you need will be below. But there we go, guys. One glow plug out. This is going to be an happy customer. See you in a bit. Love you, bye.